Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off, let's say your YouTube live chat. So when you go live, you just want to turn it off. So select create and select go live. And then make sure you already have like your title, category, etc. And there's going to be an edit section. You're just going to want to hit that button. Okay, let me just hit that edit button again. And then under customization here, you're going to see there's a live chat section. You're just going to turn off both of them and press save once you're done to enable it just like this again. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!